The bugle has been sounded regarding the Lok Sabha elections. There is a heated debate regarding the elections in the Lok Sabha constituency. The fate of the Lok Sabha is going to be decided once again for 5 years if MPs take the responsibility of their respective Lok Sabha constituency like the responsibility of their home. Then perhaps there will be no problem left. But the MPs who know on every house during the voting season are seen only in the next season, and this next season comes after 5 years. The third phase of Lok Sabha elections is going on. Today in this third phase we will talk about Khagaria Lok Sabha constituency. The political equation and election season here is going on very hot. Two news stalwarts have entered the fray. By saying new, we mean that both these opposing candidates who are boasting about the construction of Khagaria are new in politics. Both of them are contesting the MP election for the first time, and neither of them has been an MLA. The family of one is related to politics while the other has himself entered politics and has started his electoral journey by becoming the first direct ward councillor. While he is very powerful, his opponents are also calling him a goon. Talking about election campaign, young faces are making full use of their social media in election campaign, going everywhere, crowd of people, and doing a lot of publicity through patriotism and inspirational songs. We are talking about Chirag Paswan candidate Rajesh Verma. Rajesh Verma is a very young face and has good and strong experience in his political journey so far. He got boring done in Lodipur area of Bhagalpur at his own expense and entered politics. In 2040, Rajesh Verma became the first councillor from Ward 38 of Bhagalpur Municipal Corporation. After becoming councillor, he reached the position of deputy mayor. After this, he joined BJP but did not like it here and joined Chirag Paswan's party. In 2020, he contested from Bhagalpur Assembly on LJP ticket. They come from West community. When the seat of mayor and deputy mayor were reserved, he distanced himself from corporation politics. Khagaria seat has gone to CPIM's accounts from the Grand Alliance. 58 years old Sanjay Kumar is in the fray form here. They are residents of the mother village in the district. His father, Yogendra Singh, had been MLA from Khagaria Sadar Assembly from 2000 to 2005. Sanjay's younger brother, Ajay Kumar Singh, is currently the MLA for Vibhutipur in Samastipur district. Sanjay Kumar is angry at Chirag Paswan. Instead of giving ticket to Kesar, he has given ticket to an outsider. Sanjay is aware about the development of his area. They want to right their area of the problems of migration and floods. Sanjay has vented his anger on Chirag Paswan and has also said that Chirag will lose all the 5 Lok Sabha seats because the people of Khagaria will curse him. His displeasure is that Chirag did not give ticket to outgoing MP Kesar. On the other hand, they say that 4.5 lakh milk is produced in Khagaria in every day, but there is no dairy or no plant associated with it. This is the largest production of maize in Asia, but there is no industry related to it. On this issue, Rajesh says that if Chirag has decided not to give him ticket to Kesar, then there must be some fault on his part. They are much younger than him and wish to seek his blessings. On the issue of development in Khagaria, he clearly talks about setting up industries related to maize. While the issue of Rajesh being an outsider is gaining momentum in Khagaria Lok Sabha, the issue of caste equations is also gaining momentum. In response to which Rajesh said that there is democracy, and in democracy anyone has a right to fight from anywhere and anyway. They are not outsider but never. As Bhagalpur and Khagaria are neighbors. Even though Tejasvi is an outsider, he has said that if I am an outsider, then Rohini Didi, Tejasvi Bhaiya must have thought something about him also. Rajesh tries to avoid making personal comments and says that this election is very important for him and he is quite junior. All those parties and opposition wants blessing of the elders. Talking a dig at Tejasvi and praising the Chirag, Rajesh says that today no young face in politics supports bringing other young faces forward. They have insecurities, but Chirag Paswan has risen above this and brought young faces forward. Let us tell you that Chirag Paswan has got 5 seats, on which 4 seats are occupied by young face and 1 seat has been given to Veena Devi. Rajesh is confident about his victory, despite the caste equation not matching. The biggest reason for this is that they say that when I contested the ward councillor elections, these issues were there also, but I won. He says that I have been among the people and aware of their basic needs and feelings. Their most important needs are basic ones, which I want to extend. They say that 60% of the population of 40 lakh is of my caste. Youth are my caste and youth have no caste. It will be interesting to see who become the MP of Khagaria in this elections. Rajesh Verma looks quite active. He is new in politics, but due to his outspokenness, he gave shocking results in the assembly election itself. He is a vocal speaker and has outlines for the development of the area. Understand the needs of the public. He has already staked claim to victory because he is the face of Narendra Modi, has the development work of Nitish Kumar and has the popularity of Chirag Paswan. Talking about Khagaria district, earlier it used to be a part of Munger. It got to a status of district on 10 May 1981. This district is surrounded by 7 rivers. There is a problem of flood every year. This district is surrounded by Ganga, Kamla, Balan, Kosi, Budhi Gandak, Karehe, Kali Kosi and Bagmati. There are 6 assemblies after 2009. Khagaria has been the home district of Ramvilas Paswan. Pasupati Paras has been MLA from Alauli Assembly 7 times. For the last 2 times, Chirag Paswan has been winning this seat on the face of Mehboob Ali Kaisar. Sakunu Chaudhary, father of current Deputy CM Samrat Chaudhary, has been an MP from here. Kameshwar Singh is a big name in politics. He has been an MP from the Socialist Party in 1967. Congress has won this seat 4 times. Socialist Party has won here twice. Janata Party once, Janata Dal thrice. Samta Party once, RJD once and JDU have also won from here twice. What is your opinion about Khagaria Lok Sabha seat? Give comment, like, share and subscribe this channel.